Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we discuss everything you need to know about buying your first home in UK. In today's video we will look into further details of the mortgage obtaining process. Stick to the end where we will share our tips and personal challenges we came across going through the process. After employing a broker, their first job will be obtaining a mortgage in principle, MIP, also known as a decision in principle, DAP, or agreement in principle, AAP, all meaning the same thing.
So, what is a mortgage in principle? A mortgage in principle is a conditional offer from a lender that indicates how much they are willing to lend you based on initial assessment of your financial situation. It is not a guarantee of mortgage, but serves as good indication that you can afford the particular property you choose.
Okay, let's discuss the process. In the initial application, you'll need to provide some basic financial information such as income, employment status, monthly expenses, and any outstanding debts. The lender will conduct a credit check to assess your credit worthiness and determine if you are a responsible borrower. For AAP, normally the bank will run a soft credit check on you. If you want to know more about credit checks, we will create a separate video to discuss this into further details.
Assessment. The lender will review the information you provided and use it to calculate the amount they would willing to lend you.
The next step will be issuing the mortgage in principle. If you meet the lender's criteria, they will issue a mortgage in principle certificate. This document is usually valid for a few months.
So here are some tips for obtaining a mortgage in principle. Number 1. Provide accurate information. Ensure all the details you provide during the application process are accurate and up to date. Inaccurate information can lead to delays or rejection. Number 2. Choose a suitable lender. Different lenders have different criteria, so it is wise to shop around and find a lender that best fits your financial circumstance. Your broker will help you to make the right decision to yourself. Number 3. Understand the impact on credit score. The lender's initial credit check will have a footprint on your credit report. While a single check won't harm your credit significantly, multiple checks in a short period of time may have an impact. Only apply for mortgage in principle when you are serious about moving forward with a mortgage application. Number 4. Keep your finance stable. Lenders prefer borrowers with stable financial situations. Avoid making significant financial changes such as changing jobs or taking an extra debt while going through the mortgage in principle process.
If you enjoyed the video so far, please make us a favor and hit the subscribe button. This helps our channel tremendously and encourages us to create more videos like this. Now we would like to show you what an expensive questionnaire that you're gonna receive from your broker looks like. This questionnaire is provided by the banks and they can vary from bank to bank, but more or less it looks like this. As you can see, the banks want to see your expenses such as food and drink, housekeeping, your utility bills, your building content insurance, if you're paying any ground rent where you live, service charge of the place where you live, some essential costs, your car insurance if you have one, your telephone bills, your internet bills, if you pay any laundry and dry cleaning bills, council tax, as well as basic quality of living costs such as eating out, alcohol in restaurants, TV subscription, gym subscriptions, clothing and footwear, household goods and repairs, childcare and education if you have children, personal good example toiletries. The list is really detailed, so we're gonna advise you to keep these numbers as low as possible.
So now we're gonna discuss some mistakes that you could avoid. First of all, always budget more. Just because a lender is willing to lend you a certain amount doesn't mean you should max out your budget. Consider your long-term financial goals and ability to repay the mortgage comfortably. Second, have in mind extra fees and costs. The mortgage in principle may not include all the fees associated with the mortgage, such as arrangement fee or valuation cost. Be aware of a complete picture before you're committing. Here are some challenges that we came across. The process will never go as smooth as desired. We have to provide some actual unexpected documents required from the bank, such as a letter from my employer explaining some details on my payslips. and a certified copy of my ID, since I'm not UK national. They involve actual time and money spent.
After receiving your mortgage in principle, you can go ahead and instruct your lawyers to start the conveyancing process of buying the property for you. What happened next? After receiving the mortgage in principle, the bank will arrange a valuation of the property from their side. The bank wants to make sure that the property is worth the price you agreed to pay for it. After the valuation comes back and the bank is happy with it, they will proceed to issuing a mortgage offer. You'll receive an official mortgage offer letter directly from the bank. It is a legally binding document under which the lender is willing to provide the requested mortgage loan. Together with the mortgage offer, you will receive a mortgage illustration. This is a document provided by the mortgage lender and is designed to present important information about the mortgage product in a clear and standard format. It typically includes mortgage detail, such as lender's name, mortgage product name, terms of the mortgage, and the type of the mortgage, for example, fixed rate, variable rate, etc. Interest rate, monthly payments, total amount payable, any fees or charges associated with the mortgage. If you get to this point, congratulations! You have your mortgage offer in place, which means that you secure the funds for buying your dream house.
Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more insight content on mortgage and home ownership.
We would love hearing from you. Drop a comment below with your experiences or any topics you would like us to cover in the future videos.
We hope you like this video and see you next time.
Bye!